Hurricane season is here, and no matter what it brings, the North Carolina Department of Transportation is ready to respond. We're committed to communicating with you every step of the way, from the moment a storm begins tracking towards our state to long after it's left our borders. We'll share critical information ranging from preparations and evacuations to road closures and recovery efforts. Everything you need to know to ensure you and your loved ones are safe. We'll deliver that information directly to you using tools designed to give you updates as often as you want them. One convenient way to get instant hurricane information is to follow us on Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Using these social media platforms, we can give you a real-time look at travel conditions and emergency response efforts. We manage more than 20 Twitter feeds tailored for specific roads and regions of the state, as well as the ferry division. Go to ncdot.gov/travel/Twitter to follow the accounts that offer insight for where you live, work, and play. Prefer Facebook? We've got you covered there too. Go to facebook.com/NCDOT for the latest on NC-12 along the Outer Banks. For a look at hurricane response efforts statewide, visit our NCDOT page at facebook.com/NCDOT1. Don't forget about the many informative videos on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/NCDOT Communications. This is where you'll hear how crews are gearing up for the storm, see the first images of any hurricane damage, and get critical safety tips for travel after the storm passes, all with the click of your mouse. If you'd rather pick up a phone instead of going online, we have a toll-free travel information line that provides real-time updates around the clock. Just dial 511 and use the automated voice response system for details about road closures, congestion, and travel conditions. As always, a great place for all transportation news is our website, ncdot.gov. During a hurricane, we'll continually post new information about our efforts and include photos and videos of the storm's impact to help you understand why we're doing what we're doing. We hope for an uneventful hurricane season, but if storms threaten our state, know that we'll be ready and we'll use these tools to keep you and your loved ones informed, connected, and most importantly, safe.